Day 1 of making an cookies. Day 2 of making an cook. If you're gonna cook, go to cook. Okay. Day 3 of making an homemade cooking, but is on a paper. This is day 5, but I do not do the day 4, and then I don't do the day 4 here. And then goodbye. Wait me until we reach the place when we're done. Okay, bye-bye. Day 5. Day 6 of making a store. Okay, but made of paper. Hi guys! Tapos na natin yung making. So, ano nyo na lang, hintayin nyo na lang yung pangalawa kong gagawin na make a house. House. Yeah. So, balikan nyo na lang ako. May pagbagong propose. Ay, sorry guys. Sorry po.